This video to help you with estimating some lengths. So here are a couple things to help you remember. An inch is basically how wide a quarter is. A foot is about the length of an adult's foot. A yard is about a giant step for someone. And a mile would be like a horse race track. They run a mile race. So let's try some of these out. A pencil is 8 blank long. Only answer makes sense is inches. A baseball bat is 1 blank long. Okay, if it was 1 foot, that would be the same length as your dad's foot, and that's not going to give you enough room to grab and hold on to. So it's got to be a yard. It's about the same as a yardstick. A good high jump for a 3rd grader is 4 blank high. Okay, if you could jump 4 inches tall, that's not that great. See, he's way off the ground. We're going 4 feet. Because 4 yards would be like 12 feet. Means you'd be jumping over the top of a building. Takes the best runners in the world 2 hours to run the Boston Marathon. It is 26 blank long. It's taken them 2 hours to run that. So I know in 2 hours I can run more than 2 inches or 2 feet or 2 yards. So it must be, 26 inches or 26 feet or 26 yards. 26 yards would basically wouldn't even get me out to school. I think I could do that in 2 hours. 26 miles. Our classroom is 3 blank high. Only one that makes sense is yards. Miss Huffman is 5 blank tall. 5 inches? 5 feet. TV is 22 blank wide. Only one that makes sense is going to be inches. 22 feet would be like a movie screen at a theater. 5 blank from Fairlawn Eastland Mall. Okay, if you need to get in the car and drive or ride a bike, it's probably going to be miles. Classroom is 26 blank long. That would be feet. Boys belt, 28 inches. Only one that makes sense. Ohio River is 981. Okay, so 981 yards seems like a long thing, but not when you're talking about a river. That's not even close to a mile. Like it's a little bit over a half a mile. So I know the river is way over that, so it's got to be miles. Mr. Kramer's car is 4 blank long. Definitely can't be 4 inches. 4 feet. Well, I'm 6 feet tall, so I don't think 4 feet long would work. So probably 4 yards. Your bed, 2 yards. Basketball player, 84. Only one that makes sense is going to be inches. Your foot, probably close to 9 inches. The python is 87 blank long. Okay, if he was 87 feet long, you do realize he would wrap all the way around our room. I don't think there are any pythons that are that big, so it's 87 inches. Trip from Evansville to Indy. Again, we're getting in a car and driving, so it must be miles. Pancake, 7 inches. The necklace is 2 blank long. Okay, so some people may have a hard time with deciding 2 feet or 2 yards. Well, if it's 2 yards, that's basically as tall as your mom or dad. That one seems like a lot to wrap around someone's neck, because you can see it's only going around one time. Mrs. Camp jogs 2 blank every day. If you're running in some kind of thing to stay in shape, it's definitely going to be miles. Piece of spaghetti is 12 inches. A tall tree would be 20. Okay, 20 feet I don't feel like is a tall tree, because we have all kinds of trees around there 20 feet. 20 yards is going to make it 60 feet tall. So the tallest trees at our school are probably closer to this. Golf club is 34 inches. Ostrich, 8 feet. Classroom door, 7 feet. Fred rode around town on his bike. He rode a total of 6 blank. He's riding around town. 6 yards is not even all the way across our room. So miles is the only one that makes sense. Pickle, 5 inches. Step ladder, 65 inches. And I know there are people going, but it's feet tall. Yeah, but it's not 65 feet tall. The gym is 25. And you can see it looks like our gym a lot. There's a volleyball net in there stretched across. It's a full court. 25 yards. Screwdriver, 8 inches. Shoestring is 2. Now you probably need to take it out and take a look at it. Probably closest to 2 feet.